The mistake people make when they start out is they're starting out with the fattiest cuts, which are some of the trickiest cuts to cook actually. Sausages and burgers, some of them have got 20 or 30% fat in, so that's a lot of fat to drop on the coals, and that puts a lot of people off because they're not in control.
So the easiest way to avoid burning things like sausages and wings and chicken, whatever, is start with a smaller fire. And if you've got a 2-zone fire, you can sear the sausages and chicken over to get a nice char on them, and then move it to the indirect zone where they've got as much time as they need to cook through. The bigger the ingredient, whether that's a vegetable or a piece of meat, the longer it's going to take. And probably the lower fire you want to be cooking that over.
The great thing about barbecuing really is that you can cook anything. Once you've got heat control sorted, anything. You can cook starters, mains, puddings, you can cook meat, fish, vegetarian, you can bake, and it's great.